Today I'm going to show you how to mark comments with your name and reply or forward emails in Outlook. This is a really helpful feature if you want your responses to be clearly identified when replying to or forwarding messages, making it easier for recipients to see who added specific comments. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Once you're logged in and your inbox is fully loaded, you're ready to begin configuring this setting. To mark comments with your name and reply or forward emails in Outlook, navigate to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to open the menu. This is where you'll find access to your account settings and various configuration options. Once the File menu has opened, look at the very bottom part of your File menu and click on Options. This will open the Outlook Options window, which contains all the customization settings for your Outlook experience. From here, click on Mail on your left side menu. The Mail section controls how your emails behave, including formatting, signatures, and reply settings. Under the Mail section, look for the Stationery and Fonts option and click on it. This button opens additional formatting controls that affect how your messages appear when you compose, reply, or forward them. A Signatures and Stationery window will appear. Now from this window, look for the Mark My Comment With checkbox and enable it. You'll notice the field becomes active once you check this box. From here, simply type in your name or email address to mark your comments in reply or forward emails in Outlook. This ensures that whenever you add text to a forwarded or replied message, your name will automatically appear next to your comments, making it clear who wrote what. Once you've configured this setting, click on OK to save the changes. The window will close and your settings will be applied immediately. From now on, any comments you add when replying to or forwarding emails will be marked with the name or email address you specified. And that's it. You've successfully set up Outlook to mark your comments with your name and reply or forward emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.